Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to install Hindi font Kruti Dev on your computer. Friends, as you all know, Kruti Dev font is commonly used in Hindi typing, so I will show you by installing it on my computer. So first open your web browser. Here type fonts.webtoolhub.com. Now as we want to download our Hindi font Kruti Dev on our computer, so press on K and scroll it little down. Here you will find the first option of Kruti Dev 010. Press on download. Press on download again. Here we need to enter this text and press on submit. Now as you can see, our Kruti Dev 10 font is downloaded. Now press on open. Now here press on install. Now friends, as you can see, our Hindi font Kruti Dev is installed on our computer. Now I will open a Word document. Now here I will try to select my Hindi font Kruti Dev to type in Hindi. Now friends, as you can see, my Hindi font Kruti Dev 10 is available on my Word document. So I will select this to type in Hindi. So friends, now as you can see, I can type in Hindi on my computer. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.